easy, and are far from the trials of war, never knowing the dangers of battle, but are safe with your family secure. Know you the long side of destruction, sweeping the nation all around, but it never yet caught with the keenness like it did on the 18th of June. It began about 5 in the morning, and it lasted till 7 at night. All the people stood around in amazement. They had never yet seen such a sight, for the thunder of 500 cannons proclaimed that the battle was won. The moon and the stars overshone all, proclaiming the 18th of June. And what a sad heart had poor Boney to take up instead of a crown, to canter from Brussels to Paris, lamenting the 18th of June. All you young girls with sweethearts out yonder that go daily